everybody, I'm Kainen, and welcome to Cooking with Kainen. Jack won't be with us today. Okay, today we'll be making chicken and french fries. So first, we're gonna make the fries. So every good chef knows, to make fries you need potatoes. So I went to the local farmer's market and I got the freshest potatoes I know. Lay's potato chips. Not sponsored. So we're gonna just pop these bad boys in the microwave, and we're gonna put it in for 15 hours. Okay, they're now done. Oh, look at those. Look how fresh they look. Okay, we'll just set those to the side for now. Now it's time for the chicken. I like to cook my food fresh, so we're gonna go hunting for the chicken. Now that we got our chicken, it's about time to complete our meal. Okay, now we have to take it out of the packaging. Gloves are coming off. Look, now we're done. Now come over to the table with me. Let's taste the fruits of our labor.
Well, you forgot to cook it.
Now, next you want to put the chicken in the oven for 1,000 degrees. And take it out when it starts sizzling. So, my house burned down for some weird reason from an unknown source. So, I'll see you guys next time. And remember, what was my catchphrase again?